Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today we're going to play a mystery game where me and my friend are going to not know what we're touching and we're going to stick our hands in, well, we don't know. So let's begin. So me and my friend are really excited. The mystery item is already inside the box and we are ready to stick our hands in and find out what it is. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. All right. It's wet. It's a little, doesn't it kind of, it feels like kernels almost, like corn kernels, like corn on the cob. Is that what you feel?
Yeah.
Oh, it's making like a, feels like corn.
I know.
Well, are you ready to see what it is?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You ready to see what it is? Go ahead and lift. We were wrong. It's a pomegranate. These are so good and so healthy for you. We were wrong. All right, on to the next one. All right, me and my friend didn't do too well on the first one, but we're determined to get some right. All right, on to the next one.
What are they?
They're kind of heavy. They feel like beads, like when we make like crafts, like the beads.
Yeah.
What are you feeling? They're smooth.
Yeah, they feel like beads to me too.
All right, are you ready to see what they are?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So our guess is beads that we play crafts with. Let's go. Well, we were definitely wrong again. These are delicious M&Ms, and they're red and green Christmas colors. Our favorite.
Yeah, and their favorite colors are ours. We love red and green.
Yep. So we were wrong, and we're going to try a couple more times. Let's go. This is our third challenge. Let's try to get it right. Here we go. Stick it in there. Yeah. Oh.
Ew, it feels so weird.
Do you have any ideas what it is?
I know it's an egg.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's got that slimy egg feeling. All right. Well, is that our guess, egg?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go see if it was an egg. All right. Well, we've already went. This is our third time, so hopefully we get one right. Go ahead. Ah! Yes, you were right. It absolutely is an egg. So we got one right. Awesome job. You ready for our next one?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh.
It feels weird.
Yeah. You know what I think this is?
What?
A piece of our Christmas tree. It feels prickly, and then when you feel the end, it's got that little like tree feeling. I'm gonna say it's our Christmas tree.
Me too.
All right, let's see what it is. Go ahead and lift them up and let's see. We were totally right. Oh, it smells so good.
Me too. I think it smells so good.
All right, let's go on to the next one. We've got one more after this, so let's go. What does this feel like to you?
A dog ball.
Kind of, but it's got like a hook. I'm not really sure. All right, we'll say a dog ball because we have no idea because it's got like a little hook, but that could have been there with the ball and the dog bit it up. I don't know. All right, so our guess, dog ball. All right, well, we guessed a dog ball. Show us what it is.
It's a Christmas tree ornament.
So, again, we were wrong, but this has really been so much fun. So let's do our final and last one. This is our last one for the day. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Ew, it feels like an egg, like last round.
Kinda, yeah. I don't know. It is slimy though, and really cold, but it's, oh, what do you think it is?
I think it's Jell-O.
You know what? I think you're right. All right, well, let's see what it is. This was our final and last one, and we guessed Jell-O. Let's see. It is Jell-O. It's actually strawberry Jell-O. I can tell just by looking at that, because somebody loves to eat Jell-O. All right. Well, that was so much fun, and I really am glad that you guys came today. Well, friend, I hope you had a great time today, because I know me and my friend, we sure did, touching all the mystery items and trying to guess what it is. That was actually a lot of fun. So, if you like videos like this, keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Kookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, subscribe to see more and more of them. And also, don't forget to hit like.